So welcome all, welcome to this part 12. In each part we are discussing 10 questions related to piping engineering which are generally asked in interviews. So let us see what are these 10 questions which are covered here. What is gate valve? What is the function of gate valve? How gate valve works? What are the reason behind its slow and high operating time? What are different types of wedges in gate valves? Okay, what is the purpose of different types of wedges? What is thermal locking? What are various benefits of flexible wedges with respect to solid wedge? Which wedge is preferred in steam service and why? Okay, these are few of the questions which are very common and everybody should know. Then we'll have comparison between all type of wedges which are used for gate valves. So these are the basic things which every piping engineer should know, and these can be asked in any of the interviews. So this is going to be very informative and interesting session. So see you in the next answer section part. Playlist is a very good tool which is provided by YouTube for all the YouTube channels. On this platform of oil and gas fundas, we have so many playlists with us just to organize the content in a systematic manner. Many playlists are created. For example, the consolidated list where all the videos available on this channel are there. Then many topics we covered: pump piping, compressor piping, pipe rack piping. All those topics we discussed in length. All those small short videos, long video, everything we have created in a playlist form. So you can always look into the playlist and check out how many topics, what kind of topics we have covered. Then we discussed the 2-minute funda series. 150 plus videos are there, so all are consolidated in the form of that playlist. Many codes and standard API ASME clauses we discussed, all are organized in a systematic manner in the form of playlists. Then recently we completed our piping certification course details. That is also covered in the form of playlist. It is available on this channel. Then other self-improvement topics, for example, how to write a covering letter, how to write an email. Many videos are there on those topics. So those are also uh, consolidated in the form of playlists. Now this is a new series where we are going to discuss interview questions related to piping engineering. We are going to cover 10 questions per video. Again, there will be a playlist available on this channel. You can always go through that to go into content. So this is a very good tool organized in a systematic manner. Don't miss, many more videos will be there and those all will be consolidated in the form of playlists. So this is again a very good tool. Don't miss. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.